Unit 2.
Aim. Aim is a noun. An aim is a purpose or goal. My aim was to win the state spelling bee. Now you say the word aim. Aim. Aim is a verb. To aim is to point or direct at a target. In archery, you should aim for the center of the target. Now you say the word aim. Aware. Aware is an adjective. Aware means knowing or realizing. We were aware that it was getting late. Now you say the word aware. Aware. Defeat. Defeat is a noun. A defeat is loss or failure. The defeat was difficult for the player because she had worked so hard. Now you say the word defeat. Defeat. Defeat is a verb. To defeat is to beat in a game or battle. The Tigers hope to defeat the Bears in the last game. Now you say the word defeat. Drift. Drift is a verb. To drift is to be carried away by water or air. The balloon began to drift away from the child. Now you say the word drift. Drift. Mild. Mild is an adjective. Mild means gentle, not harsh. The doctor spoke to the young child in a mild tone of voice. Now you say the word mild. Mild. Pause. Pause is a noun. A pause is a short stop. There was a pause between two scenes in the play. Now you say the word pause. Pause. Pause is a verb. To pause is to stop for a short time. Let's pause to think about what happened. Now you say the word pause. Refuse. Refuse is a verb. To refuse is to not accept or agree to something. I refuse to admit that I was wrong. Now you say the word refuse. Refuse. Route. Route is a noun. A route is a road or way of travel between two places. My bus takes the quickest route to school. Now you say the word route. Route. Ruin. Ruin is a verb. To ruin is to destroy or damage something. Big waves will ruin my sandcastle. Now you say the word ruin. Ruin. Solid. Solid is an adjective. Solid means having shape and hardness, or not liquid or gas. Solid also means very strong and reliable. After the boat ride, I was happy to be back on solid ground. Now you say the word solid. Solid.